here. We got an HVAC in here. We got a good one right here. No issues. Old American standard. Windows 10. That's a big old dining room. I don't know which one. Yeah. Oh shit, maybe it is. I'll check the dates on it in a bit. This one, old medium. I don't think this one has a date code on it. And then we got two more of the same units. Notice is gone. Oh shit, tag's right here. I think that said 2006. I'll make an update on these if I see any of these running. Oh yeah, 2006. And then we got more. So these two are from 2006. I didn't check the date on these yet. This is from what I said, 2000. I should check the date on this one. 2014. Shit. So that was newer. This one's kind of the biggest unit here. We got two more units. We got an old temp star. Check that. I don't think this thing's been running. And then I'll go over here and we have guy watching me. I gotta act like I'm walking away. Let's go around, look at the view. Oh, he's gone. We got just walking outside. Yeah, like Kenosha. Yeah, we got two more things here. Yeah. 2020. Another GMC. I'll check the date later because I don't want to get risky getting caught by the guy. And yeah, that's all the units. I want to see that American Standard run because I've never seen it run before. And yeah, I'll get you guys updated. If I see the American Standard run, I'll keep you updated on that one too. See you guys in the next video.